Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Michael. How are you today?
Hi, Grace. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I'm really excited to be here at the conference on sustainable energy solutions. It's a topic I care about deeply.
Me too. I have a background in environmental science, and I work with renewable energy projects at my company. I'm very interested in the new ideas the speakers will share today.
That's wonderful, Michael. I'm a high school teacher specializing in environmental education, and I always try to bring fresh ideas into my classroom. I believe that sharing knowledge on sustainable energy can help build a better future for our community.
Absolutely. Today's conference seems very promising. The first session is about solar energy innovations, and I can't wait to learn about the latest developments. Have you attended many conferences like this before?
Yes, I have attended a few local symposiums on environmental topics. Every time I meet new people, exchange ideas, and gain insights that I can share with my students. Although sometimes the technical details are challenging, the overall experience is very inspiring.
I understand what you mean. At my previous conference, I remember feeling a bit overwhelmed by the technical presentations. But then, during the Q&A sessions, the speakers explained things in simple language, and that made a big difference.
That's true. It helps when experts break down complex ideas into easy to understand concepts. I always take notes and later review them with my colleagues. It makes the learning process smoother.
Speaking of notes, I like to record short summaries on my phone after each session. It helps me remember key points. For example, I plan to note down ideas about how small businesses can adopt solar energy without huge investments.
That's a great strategy, Michael. I do something similar with a notebook. I write down important terms like photovoltaic cells, net metering, and energy efficiency. Then I discuss these ideas with my friends.
It's very useful to share ideas. I also plan to join the panel discussion later. I have a question about government incentives for renewable energy, especially for community projects.
That sounds like an important question. I also hope the panel will discuss local solutions. In my school, I try to encourage my students to think about how we can reduce energy waste.
Yes, local action is very important. I read an article recently about community solar projects that help small towns lower their energy costs. It made me think about how we can bring such ideas to a wider audience.
I agree. When local communities work together, they can achieve a lot. I'm very interested in learning how these projects are funded and managed.
Me too. After the session, I plan to talk to some of the speakers. They might share their contact information so we can exchange more ideas.
That would be wonderful. Networking is one of the best parts of a conference. I enjoy meeting experts and other professionals who are passionate about sustainable energy.
Absolutely. I remember at my last conference, I met a group of engineers who were working on wind power projects. We exchanged ideas and even planned to work on a small project together later.
That must have been a great experience. I have also met many inspiring people at similar events. For example, last year I attended a workshop where teachers and engineers discussed how to integrate renewable energy topics into school curriculums.
That's very interesting, Grace. It shows that conferences are not only about listening, but also about sharing and creating partnerships.
Exactly. I feel that when we discuss our ideas openly, we can learn so much from each other. Even a simple conversation during a coffee break can lead to a new project or a fresh perspective.
Speaking of coffee breaks, I really appreciate the breaks between sessions. They give me a chance to relax and chat with other participants. I recently had a conversation with someone from a local startup that makes energy efficient appliances.
Oh, that sounds exciting. I like talking with people from different industries because it broadens my view. Last time, I spoke with a teacher who had started a school garden powered by solar panels.
Wow, a school garden with solar panels sounds innovative. That kind of idea can inspire many communities to be more self-sufficient.
Yes, it is very inspiring. I think the key to solving our environmental challenges is collaboration between different fields. Teachers, engineers, business people, and government officials all have a role to play.
I completely agree, Grace. I also believe that sharing success stories can motivate others to take action. Hearing about a small town that reduced its energy bills through community solar projects gives hope to many.
Exactly. I try to bring such stories into my classes. I tell my students about local projects and encourage them to think about new ideas.
That is wonderful, Grace. Education is very important in building a sustainable future. I sometimes volunteer to speak at local schools about renewable energy, and it is always rewarding to see young people excited about these ideas.
I admire that, Michael. Your work is very inspiring. I think each one of us, in our own way, can make a difference. Even small changes can have a big impact on the future.
That is true. I always say that every effort counts, no matter how small. When I see a new idea at a conference, I think about how it might be implemented in my work or in my community.
I feel the same. I also try to write a short blog after each conference, summarizing what I learned and how I can apply it. It helps me remember the lessons and share them with my colleagues and students.
That is a great practice, Grace. I have a similar habit. I send emails to my team with key points from the sessions. It helps us plan our projects better.
Sharing knowledge is very important. I believe that when we all share our ideas, we can create a better future.
I agree completely. Conferences like these are a reminder that we are all working toward a common goal. Even though our jobs and roles may be different, our vision for a sustainable future connects us.
Well said, Michael. I think I will try to ask more questions in the next session. I want to know more about the latest trends in energy storage.
That's a good question. I plan to ask about how new battery technologies can be applied to small-scale projects. It is an exciting field, and I think there is a lot of potential.
Yes, the future of energy is very exciting. I also want to learn more about government policies that support renewable energy. It is important for educators to understand these policies so we can inform our students.
Definitely. I believe that understanding policy is as important as understanding the technology. It can help drive change at the community level.
Thank you for this engaging conversation, Michael. Talking with you has given me many ideas and made me even more excited about the future of sustainable energy and education.
Thank you, Grace. I truly enjoyed our discussion. It is always refreshing to share ideas and learn from each other. I hope we can keep in touch and continue to exchange information.
I would love that, Michael. Let's exchange our contact information and maybe plan to meet for coffee after the next session.
That sounds perfect. I'll send you my email and phone number at the break. I'm looking forward to our future conversations.
Me too, Michael. I wish you a productive session and an inspiring conference. Enjoy the rest of the event.
Thank you, Grace. Enjoy your day as well, and I'll see you at the next break.
See you soon, Michael. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Grace.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.